How to fix and improve your video quality on Netflix. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without further ado, let's head over to the video. First of all, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Netflix. Once your application is up to date, simply open it. Enter a login credential as in your email address and the password, and then make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on Space. Now move into My Netflix at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into App Settings. Inside App Settings, head over to Cellular Data Uses. So in this page, you have to make sure that you have set the settings to automatic. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and make sure that the Wi-Fi only option is enabled. After that, head over to video quality and make sure that the video quality is set to standard. Once you have set all of these options, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix and improve the video quality on Netflix. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.